Assalamu alaikum guys, hi everyone, how are you? It's me Faruk Khan, you are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel third party from Etisalat. So if you are using Etisalat line, so you will have face some problem, maybe that you don't know that some service it's active without knowing you. So that one how to deactivate, I will show you how to do. So let's start my video. Okay guys, after coming mobile screen, open the dial pad, then star 101 hash. So first we'll check that which service is active. So first you have to click on one account manager, and then after that you have to click on 7. Then you have to wait for the message, so you can so guys, we are waiting for the message. So here you can see the message, it's already they come. So this is the active, this is the number, here you can see, and then the service. The first one you can see that is before I check and I deactive also. So the last one that today the date you can see that 1652, this TV club, this the service is active. So this one I need to unsubscribe. So that one I'm going to show you how to do. So here you can see. Okay guys, we need to send message for the deactivation. So before we send the message, so guys, before we send the message, we have to delete the this is the message. So after delete, we have to go to send the message. Then type here 1012, then click. After that, here we have to write here on text message, go on here, then type T, all capital letter should be TPSC, C for cancel. So 1652, you have to write that the number of the code. So if any another code you can write here. After that, click on send. Then after click on send, you have to wait for a moment. So the message will come now, please wait for moments. So here you can see the message already arrived. So here I will open the message. So here you can see, dear customer, your request has been for cancellation receive it. So cancellation service, they will message again. So I'm waiting for again another confirmation. So here you can see this is the message, dear customer, your subscription of the TV for cancellation, it's cancel. So this one you can see it's cancel already. So guys, like this you can cancel.